Hi everybody, welcome to Mon-Ara's channel, your go-to channel for skincare tips and recipes. Today we are making Hibiscus Vitamin C Toner. In your tea bag, pour your chamomile flower, your hibiscus flower, and your licorice root into the tea bag. Make sure you tie the end of your tea bag to prevent any of the flowers from coming out while steeping. At the same time, make sure you bring your 1 cup of distilled water to boil. Put your tea bag in a heat-proof container or jar. Once your water is boiled, pour your hot water over the tea bag and let it steep for a couple minutes or until cool. Once your tea is cool, it's going to look something like this. Remove the tea bag and discard. To this tea, I am going to be adding a couple of ingredients. I am adding my witch hazel, 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. Pour that into your tea mixture. Next is our vitamin C, which is pure organic L-ascorbic acid. And I am using half a teaspoon. I used a little above half a teaspoon of vitamin C powder. You want to start with a little vitamin C and start to work your way up. Mix this into your tea until it is well incorporated. Make sure your tea is very cool at this stage. You do not want to pour or mix vitamin C into any hot substance. Make sure everything is completely settled. Keep mixing until everything is dissolved. And it's that simple. Get your clean container. But first, we're going to check the pH of our vitamin C toner. An effective vitamin C toner should be anywhere from 4 or below. So it's best to be below 4. From 2.5 to 3.5 is perfect for an effective vitamin C toner. Pour it into a preferably colored container, and then just spray it on your face whenever you need a pick-me-up. It's that easy. I prefer to spray directly on my face, but you can also use cotton wool. Just wash your face clean and apply after you wash your face. Then continue with your serum and your moisturizer. Now I'm going to show you different pH of lemon juice in our toner. Just a little bit of difference, but you want to make sure that if you have sensitive skin, you should test your skin first before using this toner. I also had plain hibiscus tea, which I always make to drink, and I decided to also dip that into the pH strip just to check the pH. They're pretty similar, but they're different. So here is our hibiscus toner, there is our lemon juice, and the last is hibiscus tea. Thank you for watching. Make sure you try this and let me know how it turns out.